Hello everyone, Eric Odell and Alon Anditsky here from the product team of HP AppPulse. Today we're talking about AppPulse Mobile and its new error tracking features. We know from recent surveys that mobile users have become impatient with problematic mobile apps. 53% say they will delete a mobile app and find an alternative due to consistent errors. Alon, this can hurt the mobile strategy of any business. So what can AppPulse Mobile do for error tracking?
So first of all, Eric, let's look at the Fundex score. AppPulse Mobile provides you as an application owner or as a developer with a Fundex score. This is basically a single score that represents the overall user experience for your application. In this specific case, we can see it's 81 out of 100. Now the question is, how do we improve the Fundex score? So let's look here. Stability, 10 points were lost due to stability issues, 8 due to crashes, and 2 due to errors. Let's look at the errors, but first of all, we need to drill down and see the stability screen. So as you can see here, Eric, we can start by looking at the different types of errors that we measure in AppPulse Mobile. So AppPulse Mobile allows you to measure UI error messages, HTTP 500, HTTP 400, and handle exceptions. I'll elaborate more on handle exceptions later on. If we go down here, Eric, we can see basically that AppPulse Mobile allows you not just to capture any error on user device, but also to correlate the error to the user action that led to the error. So you always know exactly why did it happen and how can I reproduce this in testing in order to fix it and improve the Fundex score. So let's look here and we see the different errors that had that were impacting the most users, right? And it's always prioritized by the business impact, by how many users were basically affected by this specific error. So let's take the failed one, for example. Transferring money from checking to savings account. Users were trying to, to transfer money, to put, an amount, $1,000, and to transfer it from checking to savings. And then when they did it, they had an error. So let's drill down to see some more details. So first of all, we know exactly what was the device state. What was the app version, the OS, and the specific device. We also know and automatically capture the specific error message that popped up on the user device. In this specific case, it was invalid funds. So there was some sort of an issue when the user was trying to type the amount before transferring the money from account to account. But it's not only this. We don't just show you what the user got on his device. We also do handle exceptions. This is basically, as a developer, I want to be able, through the SDK, through the AppPulse Mobile SDK, to add a breadcrumb. And basically, it allows you to have a custom error that will be captured by AppPulse Mobile. In this specific case, the user was just trying to put letters instead of numbers in the amount. And we need to transfer money. Money is numbers. So there was an error. And as a developer, I could have, basically tracked this one just because I have added, an handle exception as a custom error through the AppPulse Mobile SDK. And by doing that, I'm basically able to do network errors, application errors, as well as custom errors through the SDK.
Well, Alon, thank you very much for this demonstration. And if you'd like to know more about error tracking with AppPulse Mobile, please access our website. Thank you very much.